On behalf of Expert Village, I'm Laura Banford, and I'm going to teach you how to make buttermilk baked chicken and garlic mashed potatoes. Well, our chicken's out of the oven and has been cooling for a few minutes. Doesn't it look terrific? Nice and crisp and juicy. And we're ready to serve this dish. We have our garlic mashed potatoes. Look really nice. I made some simple peas with pearl onions. Very simple dish. And then we have our chicken, a nice juicy breast and a crispy leg. It looks terrific. Well, I hope you'd enjoyed making buttermilk marinated chicken and garlic mashed potatoes. We'll see you next time on Expert Village.